Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off eBay notifications on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want eBay notifications on your iPhone. How do you actually turn it on or off? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to go onto your iPhone and then find your settings tab, which is this gray icon here. Now on this page here, you want to click on your settings tab, and then from here, you want to click on notifications. Now this is a really important step, guys. You want to scroll all the way down until you find your eBay app. Your applications here are listed in alphabetical order, so click on your eBay app. And then on this page here, what you want to do next is that next to the allow notifications button, you're going to see this green toggle button. So if you click this green toggle button, you'll turn off your notifications from eBay. But if you click on it again, you'll see that it's highlighted green, and so therefore you've turned it back on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off or on notifications from eBay on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.